Okay, now we've logged in on the back end of 3downhomes.com. It's just a one-page site that we're using the StatCounter code on. And the way it works is above is you create a library of different things they call visits. So like this would be a player, these are playlists, that kind of thing. So it's really geared towards video usage, and that's why we use it. So the thing that we're trying to do with StatCounter on the site, on this page, if we go to the page, this page down here, we're just using the main index page, and the visit that we created is what they call up here a raw HTML visit. So what that means is I've pulled that out, and I'm scrolling down to it. You'll see StatCounter code. Okay, so I highlight that, and now when I go up here, because I've got it locked, I have to unlock it, and it shows me this is the code. Okay, now the code I know I've put, as I scroll down, this is the page, the code I've put underneath this graphic. And to show you that, I'm going to move it out to the right a little bit. Right now it tells me that I'm at 858, the position, and Y at 2012. So if I just, let's say I'm going to move this out, let's move it out to 958, and you should see it pop out. Oops. Okay. See the red, now you can see this red area over here. This is the actual, what they call a visit. This is the code in here. And inside that box is the code for the defaults. So you can see it doesn't give me a big window. That's all the code that I've put in there. So all I'm doing is I'm just trying to hide the code underneath that image. All right, so put it back underneath that image. That's where it's at. I'm going to lock it back in place. Now the thing is, when I go to install the reinstall code and I ask it to check, is it there? And I recheck it, it comes back and says the code is not detected. But if I go into my projects now, I see that I'm getting some type of data. This is actually, I've had 3 connections today. Wednesday, 3 page loads, 3 unique visits, 2 first-time visits. Yesterday I had some visits. So I'm just wondering if is that good data, or what exactly am I getting? So hopefully you can advise me on whether I'm doing it right, or if there's something else I should try. Maybe the diagnostic tool that you have just doesn't work with this. But anyway, it seems like it's working again. So thanks for your help. Appreciate it.